FrontPoint has all the bells, whistles, sensors, and monitoring capabilities of famous brands like ADT, SimpliSafe, and Vivint. But what really sticks out to me when I look at this security company is their pricing. Entry-level pricing for FrontPoint starts at $35 a month, making it the second highest entry price after Brinks, which starts at $40. Compared to budget systems like Wyze, SimpliSafe and Cove, or Abode, Ring, and Blue by ADT, FrontPoint's prices may seem a bit proud. And that's not even with video or smart home capabilities. So why bother with FrontPoint? And is this home security system worth looking at? Like I mentioned before, the starting price for professional monitoring from FrontPoint lands at around $35. $34.99 if you want to get picky. With that price, you can get in on the ground floor with the Safe House package for $99. And honestly, that's not a bad deal for a starter kit. Compared to companies like SimpliSafe or Ring that folks usually consider budget, you'll pay at least around $200 for the same amount of equipment. The most expensive part about FrontPoint's starting price is its monitoring. But if you want cameras or smart home gear, that price skyrockets. Monitoring for cameras or any smart home stuff jumps your monthly cost up to $50, and the next equipment package goes to over $400. The next tier up is the Fortress package, around $550 up front. FrontPoint also does custom kits, or you could also add equipment to an existing package. We outlined individual prices for those devices in our FrontPoint review on SafeWise. Standalone equipment ranges from $3 for things like stickers and signs to over $100 for a touchscreen control panel. We've also got details on FrontPoint's cameras on our review too. For equipment alone, you can walk away from FrontPoint $100 to $600 lighter. But what do you get for that money? What does FrontPoint do differently from other security companies? First off, FrontPoint is the only home security brand that we've encountered that has a line of defense for your identity. After teaming up with Allstate Insurance, FrontPoint offers FrontPoint ID Protect, a feature that watches for identity theft and fraudulent activity that could be harmful to your finances. And bonus points, it's a free service, so when you get a doorbell from FrontPoint to watch your deliveries, this feature can also protect the information you use to purchase them. While making this video, I poked around FrontPoint's website. The brand at the time was offering a 30% discount on everything. It's not bad. But as I kept digging, they threw in free extras like a doorbell camera or an indoor camera. Now, remember, saying yes to this would mean more expensive monitoring, but that's equipment you don't have to pay for. At checkout, you can also add coupon codes to get additional money off your purchase. Plus, if you pay up front, you get a discount and a contract-free deal on your service. FrontPoint stuff isn't cheap for a reason. The system on its own makes hourly checks to make sure everything's above board. And the keypad comes with Crash and Smash Protection, a feature that alerts you when the device has been damaged or tampered with. You'll also get monitoring features like rapid SMS to verify or cancel alarms via text. And there's an option to install a duress code that lets you send out a silent alarm if you're ever in a really serious situation. So, is FrontPoint worth the price? Honestly, yeah. FrontPoint is a brand that is constantly improving and listening to its customers. I've met with them before and was really impressed by their commitment. No spoilers, but they have some cool stuff coming out in 2022. All of that said, I don't recommend FrontPoint if you can't pay for the whole thing up front. You can finance your system, which is nice, but that also leaves you on the hook for a contract that could last up to 3 years. Home security systems don't have to be a serious, expensive investment. You can piece together cameras and sensors on your own if that's what you'd prefer. But if you're looking to put in money into a high-end system with great devices, helpful monitoring, and unique features like identity theft protection, FrontPoint is definitely worth the price. That's it for me. We have a ton of links about FrontPoint if you want to learn more about this system. Thanks for watching and stay safe.